Inspired double berry matcha. This looks so good, and look at the color. I'm going to go in with my blueberry syrup. This is from 1883, and adding my ice, more ice. Going in with my matcha. This is straight from the motherland of Japan, so look at the color. It's so pretty and vibrant. I'm going to do half a teaspoon, and I'm just going to whisk it. I'm going to add my warm water to whisk until I get a good consistency. Adding my milk, my matcha. Look at this beautiful color. Oh my god, did I just perfected a matcha? Going to do 2 pumps of blueberry syrup, a little bit of my French vanilla, and for the cold foam, just some heavy whipping cream. Just froth everything. This is a double berry matcha, just like the one from Starbucks. Starbucks basically released their Valentine's menu, and this is on the menu, a double berry matcha. Let's try it. This is so good. It literally tastes like a yogurt.
Today, we're going to make easy and affordable drinks, Pandan Milk Latte and Yub Milk Latte. These drinks combine unique flavors of pandan and ube, creating a soothing beverage perfect for any time of the day. To make these, we'll be using these high-quality flavors from McCormick that will give our lattes its distinct flavors. It's crafted for everyone who appreciates premium ingredients and want to elevate their beverage experience. Let's start by putting 120 milliliters milk on each glass. Then 1 drop of these 2 flavors to our 2 separate glasses of milk. Then add some green and violet color to enhance its vibrant shade. Look how cute these 2 colors is. In another glass, add some whipping cream, condensed milk, and 1 drop of vanilla flavor. Assemble everything into 2 separate glass. Add condensed milk or sugar syrup and then ice. Pour the 2 flavored milk, and then the extracted coffee or instant coffee depending on your preference. Elevate your at-home beverage experience with McCormick in just one drop. Available on Shopee, Lazada, and in groceries near you.
Je sois chanteuse pour les roues, pour les places dans ton coulissant, plein de mirages, me font dans ta vapeur, avec les vagues ou tes yeux nage, le vois sur mon visage, sinon de mes larmes. Dans tes grands faits, je suis là,
And when the lights start flashing flashing like a photo booth, and the stars exploding will be fireproof. My youth is yours, dripping on skies, sipping water. My youth is yours, run away now and forever. My youth is yours, the truth so loud you can't ignore. My youth, my youth, my youth, my youth is yours.
뻥을 떠도는 작은 먼지처럼 작은 먼지처럼 날리는 눈이 나라면 조금 더 빨리 내게 닿을 수 있을 텐데 눈꽃이 얼어져요 또 조금씩 멀어져요 보고 싶다
Ngomong-ngomong soal ikhlas, gue baru aja dapat kata-kata bagus dari seseorang. Jadi dia bilang gini, ada langkah yang harus terhenti, mundur, bahkan memutar arah, meski yang telah dilalui sudah jauh sekali. Ada harapan yang harus dibunuh paksa, meski itu adalah doa-doa dari hati kecil sejak lama. Ada perasaan yang harus disudahi.
I know I'm kinda late to this trend, but I see the crystal raindrop falls, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I wanna spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try. It's like a Polaroid love, 사랑 촌스러운 그 감정. 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 when I 일어나. It's like a Polaroid love, 내 뜻대로 되지 않아. 흔한 필터조차 없어, but I love the vibe.
Starbucks pink drink at home. Let's make a pink drink that tastes similar, almost exactly like a Starbucks pink drink. The only difference is it does not have caffeine, but this is all you're going to need. I'm going to add our ice, a lot of ice. The white cran times strawberry. It doesn't have a cranberry taste, it's like a sweet strawberry. It's really good. And I'm just going to pour some on our cup. This is optional, but I'm going to add a little bit of the Vita Coco strawberries and cream. It's coconut milk, but strawberry flavor. Just going to add the last part, which is the coconut milk. I'm just going to stir these. I would add freeze-dried strawberries, but I don't have some, so I'm gonna just add fresh strawberries. Starbucks adds, I think they add fresh strawberries. When I order my pink drink, I like to add it with whipped cream, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of whipped cream. Adding my heart straws. I get these from Amazon. Now I can try it. Although I know Starbucks doesn't do it exactly like this, it tastes super similar and it's so good.